Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how Fundrise works. Fundrise is a real estate investment platform that allows individuals to invest in a diversified portfolio of properties with low minimums and fees. To get started with Fundrise, you first need to create an account and provide some basic information about yourself, including your investment goals and risk tolerance. Once your account is set up, you can choose from a variety of investment plans, each with its own unique strategy and risk profile. These plans range from conservative to aggressive and are designed to help you achieve your investment objectives. After selecting a plan, Fundrise will automatically invest your money in a diversified portfolio of properties, which can include single-family homes, apartments, and commercial buildings. Fundrise uses a unique approach to real estate investing called REITs, which are essentially real estate investment trusts that are offered online. This approach allows individuals to invest in a diversified portfolio of properties with as little as a few $100s. One of the key benefits of Fundrise is its low fees, which are significantly lower than those associated with traditional real estate investing. Fundrise also provides regular updates and insights into the performance of your portfolio, so you can stay informed and make adjustments as needed. In terms of practical examples, let's say you invest $1,000 in a Fundrise REIT. Your money will be pooled with that of other investors to purchase a diversified portfolio of properties. Over time, you can earn rental income and appreciation in the value of your properties, which can provide a steady stream of returns. Best practices for using Fundrise include starting with a long-term perspective. As real estate investing is a long-term game, it's also important to diversify your portfolio by investing in a variety of different properties and asset classes. Finally, it's worth noting that Fundrise is a regulated investment platform that is subject to strict securities laws and regulations. This provides an additional layer of protection and oversight for investors, and helps to ensure that your investments are handled in a fair and transparent manner. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Fundrise to invest in a diversified portfolio of properties and achieve your long-term investment goals. With its low fees, unique approach to real estate investing, and commitment to transparency and regulation, Fundrise is an attractive option for anyone looking to get started with real estate investing.